So you wanna get into cybersecurity? Forget endless textbooks and boring theory. Let me tell you why TryHackMe is basically a gym for your brain, except instead of lifting weights, you're lifting error messages that make you question your life choices. TryHackMe is one of the best ways to build your fundamentals. It's gamified. It's structured. And honestly, it actually makes learning fun. You'll get hands-on exposure to real-world concepts, enumeration, privilege escalation, malware analysis, defensive techniques, all of this, without having to build a massive home lab on day one. Just log in, pick a room, and start grinding. Rank up, take notes, get your reps in. Think of it like the gym, but instead of sweating, you're smashing your head against Nmap scans at 2 a.m. And let's be real. At some point, you will run a sketchy script that turns your laptop into a jet engine. Your terminal starts vomiting red errors like it's possessed. Your fan kicks in like a PS4 about to launch into orbit. Your mouse freezes. You just sit there whispering, "What did I do?" like a broken NPC. Then comes the desperate Googling. Copy-pasting errors into search bars like a raccoon digging through trash. You land on a Reddit thread from 2014 with 0 replies. Classic. But here's the secret, that's the grind. Through stubbornness, caffeine, and rage reboots, you claw your way back. Welcome to cybersecurity, 80% breaking stuff, 20% pretending you meant to. Nobody expects you to be Neo from the Matrix in a week. You will get stuck. You'll stare at an easy box for 6 hours wondering if you've ruined your life. That's normal. Every walkthrough you read. Every time you curse at your terminal. Every mistake. That's you sharpening your skills. But here's the deal. TryHackMe is the grind, projects are the proof. Employers don't care how many rooms you cleared. They care about, can you secure a network? Can you detect a breach? Can you harden a system? That's where labs come in. Build and document at least 2 to 3 projects, spin up an Active Directory environment, deploy a honeypot, build a detection pipeline, write IR scripts, put them on GitHub, write blogs, or record walkthrough videos. That's how you prove you're not just a TryHackMe bot. So yeah, grind TryHackMe to build your fundamentals. Then build labs to prove you can actually do the thing. Now stop scrolling, open up that VM, and get hacking. Or at the very least, try.